So what I have here is two Xbox One optical drives. This is my new one and this is my old one. And so what I need from my old one is the daughter board right here. And I'm going to replace this new one with the old one. So first things first. Yeah, the cover, 4 screws, that's pretty easy stuff. If you've made it this far, you already know how to, take it out and stuff like that. So you start by flicking these clips right here. Hold on. Just take your finger, pull it up like that. This one goes up here. Just pulls up here. My bad. That pulls up there. And this one, so it goes this way. It goes up. That's terrible. But anyway, it's down. It goes up that way. Pull it out. That's basic. You have 3 screws to remove. Then you have to desolder the power source, and all you have to do is just touch it. It's a black and red wire. They say it's BNR on the where they need to go. Take that out and then swap it out. Resolder those points and then clip your ribbons back in, and then you should be good to go. Okay, everything's looking good. I got my screws in, I got my ribbons clamped down. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it's working.